Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Firefox and launching a private window right away. This creates a fresh session that won't save history. Click the three-line menu in the corner, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows and CMD plus Shift plus P on Mac to jump in. Once done, you'll see a purple mask icon that shows private browsing is active. This prevents local history and cookies from persisting, which is useful when testing logins or avoiding saved autofill entries. Next, understand what private mode actually does and why it matters. It blocks local history, cookies, and search suggestions, so your local profile stays clean. However, downloads and bookmarks still appear because files must be retained. Extensions are disabled by default for privacy reasons, so if you rely on one, make sure to enable it explicitly in the Add-ons Manager. Once you know these trade-offs, you can use private windows confidently for testing, temporary accounts, or shared device browsing. Finish by closing the private window when you're done. That action clears the session's cookies and site data from your machine. If a needed feature is missing, open add-ons and allow that extension in private mode, but be mindful of privacy risks. If you still see history or saved autofill, make sure Sync wasn't reintroducing data or that another browser or profile recorded it. If problems persist, restart Firefox and try a new private window to confirm settings took effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.